minutes on it here. So I just told my husband I was going to film a quick video, and then he saw me come downstairs with not one box, but two. So full with eyeshadow. Now, I don't know if you were with me last year or the year before. I did my whole Revolution eyeshadow collection, and it was like a massive tub full. So over that time I have decluttered lots. I've put some in giveaways, I've given some to friends. My friend's daughter did a makeup course, and it wasn't just learning how to put on makeup, it was theatrical makeup and things. So I passed a lot on to her. I'm going to see if I can move you back a little bit, there you go. And I've kind of sorted out and used up some. Now there will be some eyeshadow in here I've forgot, because I'm just looking at here and I know I've not got the Jeffree Star, the purple one. Can't remember what it's called, but I've never used it. I've swatched it and that was it. So I'm just going to go through what I've currently got, and there's going to be a declutter because these boxes were shoved in a cupboard and I haven't actually used them. I'm going to have a really honest declutter. Most of it will be passed on to friends and family, although I'd love to say family, but I messaged my sister and she was like, no thank you, I've got plenty. So she just hates she always says she's not encouraging me by taking it. And anyway, I have given her lots, so she's like, I just know I don't need any more. So she's a bit more sensible than me. So anyway, I'm going to quickly go through them. There'll be a keep pile and there'll be a to give away pile, to be honest with you. So here we go, and I have promised I would be about 10 minutes and no longer because we're leaving soon. So this first one, Too Faced Sweet Peach. Colours are absolutely stunning, just not for me. I haven't reached for that in donkeys. So I'll spritz each of these eyeshadows. I've also got a friend at the moment who has a daughter who does YouTube. I've said I was going to send some to a lovely lady who sent me a couple of friend mails, Sally, somebody else, and one of a lovely lady that I met through YouTube a couple of years ago, Serena. Her daughter's just getting into makeup, so I'm going to put together some palettes for her as well, along with some other little bits and pieces. So the wackier palettes, I think Brie might be able to use on her YouTube channel. So before I would have given them to my friend Tammy, I would have given them to her for her daughter for her course. So this is the Tammy X Revolution Tropical Carnival palette. Has not been used. I'm not even going to take that plastic off. I won that in a giveaway and it's a gorgeous palette. It's not been used, so that's going to be given away. Sweet Peach, giving it away. I have actually sorted them out into ones I'm keeping and ones I'm giving away. So that's why I've been so good. So this was I Heart Makeup Chocolate Elixir. Never been used. Still in its packaging. Giving that away. This one, although it is kind of colours that I would use, I'm not sure I would reach for it. So it's the I Heart Revolution S'mores. So that's in the giveaway pile. We're doing well, 5 so far. These are all giveaways though. Oh, this is a dupe. So the I Heart Makeup Salted Caramel. It is a dupe for the Too Faced Semi-Sweet. I've actually done a video comparing the two and how even the placement of the colours was identical. And I'm actually going to give both of those away. The I Heart Revolution Tasty Peach. It's gorgeous. No colours are everywhere on my face, so I think I did a video for it. And it's, I mean, the colours are stunning, but yeah, I'm not wearing those colours. I could keep it just because it's pretty, but I'd rather pass it on to somebody who would use it. The Naked Urban Decay Smoky needs a good clean. Don't reach for that. Don't like Urban Decay palettes. I've given away the cherry one and decluttered one recently. Violet Voss Pro, massive palette. Violet Voss is a fantastic brand, but not reached for it. So I'll be giving that away. I haven't decided which one they're going to, but I've got a rough idea who they're going to. The MAC Mischief Minx. Apart from maybe swatching one of the colours, I've never used it. So that's going in a wee giveaway. Probably take me weeks to sort them all out, eh? The I Heart Revolution Unicorn Hearts. This is absolutely gorgeous. But I'm definitely going to send this to Serena's daughter. The colours are beautiful in it and I think she'll have fun with that. The Warrior by Juvia. There's like, it's beautiful, but I haven't reached for it in ages. I say reach for it like I'm a proper YouTuber, eh? Oh, I haven't reached for this one. It's been shoved in a cupboard. The Wet n Wild, I got this a wee while ago. I think I did it. I've done a video on it, but I didn't actually use it. So it tells you eyebrow, brow bone, crease definer. So popping that in my giveaway. The Revolution Forever Flawless Utopia. I'd love to keep it, but I just don't think I would use any of the colours. I think that's going in a giveaway. I Heart Revolution Parental Advisory. I'll show you the colours here. It's such a gorgeous palette. Giveaway, won't use them. I'll use 3 colours here, but that's it. I got this from my friend Laura. We were supposed to be doing a collab, but it didn't happen. I think she just kind of, YouTube isn't for her at the moment. So it's the EYN Bright palette. Look at the packaging, and it's absolutely stunning. Absolutely stunning. But outside of YouTube, I wouldn't wear it. So that's going in the giveaway. So this other side here, giveaway, yeah, you know what I mean, giving away. This is my Morphe and this is 9V. So I'm definitely keeping this because the colours are stunning. My Huda, I got sent that from my pal Lynn, my first ever Huda palette. The colours are absolutely stunning and I will do a wee look with that I think at some point. And did I say it's Huda? The Revolution Chilled colours are wacky. However, I can see that I would use this if I was doing a St. Patrick's Day look. Now, you know, I could keep one of these other palettes just in case for things like that, but I'm not going to do that. The Revolution Forever Flawless Into the Night. It's just such a pretty palette, so I'm keeping that. The Revolution 1 Million. Keeping that, I got sent that when I first started YouTube, but it's just stunning. It's in the, still in its plastic packaging. And this Lustrous palette, which I got sent, I don't actually know who it's by, but that's going to be kept because I will use that. I'm currently using one that I got sent a couple of years ago that's similar to that. The Zoeva Heritage. I am being quick because I'm trying to get this done. I'm keeping that. The Too Faced Chocolate Bonbon. I'm sure I panned this. I'm sure I already had one of these and I panned it. So let's keep the Revolution Petra collab. Keeping that just because it's got so many colours in it. The MUA Elysium palette. I've not tried this yet, got sent it years ago. Keeping that. There's a theme, isn't there? The Emily Needs Edit. So this is a face palette, I think. Yeah, it's an eyeshadow and face palette. So definitely keep that because that's great to take away on holiday. All these little slips of plastic running about everywhere. Well, not running anyway. The Emily The Wants. This is gigantic. To be keeping that because I love those colours. It's a wee bit different. The Revolution Ice. My friend Tracy sent me this, and this is a dupe of the Jeffree Star palette that I wanted. So I'm definitely keeping that. Plus, when she sent it to me, Buster got hold of it and chewed it, so it's still got his little chew marks on it. The Tarte Lid Laugh Love Happiness. So I got this in one of the Tarte collection boxes from QVC. That's staying. You can see a theme in the colours that I'm keeping, can't you? I got this from Lynn to copy her makeup look that she did, My Sign Leo by Revolution, which just happens to be my sign as well. So I'll probably, hopefully still do that. This lovely little cute Clinique palette. Nobody's sending anything away if they're all smashed on the floor. My Douglas Pink Nudes palette. I got sent that from my friend. I've done a look with this. Absolutely gorgeous palette. I'll be keeping that. Trying to keep the keeps and add them all up for you. The Tarte Designed to Shine. Again, that was from another collection that QVC did. It's lovely, it's beautiful. All these bits of plastic. Again, it's up in the cupboard, so I need to bring it out. Colourpop, All I See Is Magic. We'll be keeping that. Definitely keeping that. We're rushing through them now. The Vacation, the Dose of Colour. This is stunning, by the way. The packaging. It looks like a little kind of purse, doesn't it? That's never been used, but I won that from a lady who doesn't do YouTube anymore. And the Laura Geller Party in a Palette. There's 3 of them. They're gorgeous. So there's the Girls' Night In, and it's got the blusher and the highlighter, the Cocktail Hour, and the Black Tie Gala. So I'm going to count up what I'm keeping. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, and I can't find this one, but 21 once I find this one. What am I giving away? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So I'm giving away 16 palettes. So if I've said I'll send them to you, then they'll definitely go your way. And then, oh, there's some more, a couple more that I'm keeping. 4 more that were down there. So anyway, speed through this video, and I'll catch up with you soon. I'll be doing a makeup collection declutter so that you can see what I've got. So I just need a slightly bigger box, and that'll be my eyeshadow sorted. Thank you for watching, and I'll speak to you soon. Bye bye, guys.